Well, how are you doing? You well? Hope you're doing good. So, this video is in this video I'm going to show you the chord of D major. So, like G, it's got 3 notes. Every chord 3 notes. So, this is what it sounds like. So really, you only really want to play kind of 4 or 5 strings, but you kind of miss this one if you want. So, and this is what it sounds like. So I'll just strum it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now, so what D looks like is this. Okay, so that is D major. So remember now, this is your first finger, your second, and your third. Okay? So you can see it here. So you're coming up, first, second fret. So 2 of the notes are going to be on the second fret. Okay, and then we have this one. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Alright? So it's like this. So count across. So on the neck of the guitar, this one is on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Okay, 1, 2, and that's the 3rd string up. So let's find it here. So 2nd fret, and it's there. Okay, you see that up close. There you go. And then so that's number 1 finger. The 2nd finger is on the bottom one. You see it here. Number 2, 1 and 2, and the 3rd one is on the next fret. It's on the 3rd fret. Okay, this one here. So 1, 2, and 3. So we have 1, 2, and 3. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Now, and this is what it sounds like again. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good stuff. So I'll just put up that chart and you can pause the video and so you can figure it out for yourself. Okay, so that is D major. Good stuff. And so this is what you're looking at here. Just so as you know, that's the neck of the guitar. So that's the 1st fret, 2nd fret, and 3rd fret. Okay, and then you have this, and this white line is what this is. Okay, good stuff. Have fun. Take it easy.